Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time joining me, you're so welcome. And it's another day in quarantine, and I feel like things are starting to ease up a bit, and that feels really good, just because now you can go out feeling normal. Because I feel like when the quarantine just started, it was so difficult to be out, because every time you go out and work by someone, they still give you that distance, like something is wrong. But of course it's because everyone was super scared about the pandemic, but I'm glad things are easing up. But anyway, let's get into the video for today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of things I'll be doing today, just like another day in quarantine really, and I hope you guys really enjoy this. I'm going to be making some breakfast. As you can see, I've not even had my shower. It's like early in the morning, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I'll be having for breakfast and what I'm going to be doing after. And of course I'll be going out later, so I'll be sharing with you guys a bit of outdoor content. So yeah, let's get in.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Hey guys, so this is how our blueberry pancakes look like. I really love making this. It's one of my favorites, so juicy and at the same time so fluffy. I just love having this for breakfast. They can keep me all day, and it's not that bad to have a bit of sugar in the morning. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready and do some makeup.
But I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving.
Hey guys, welcome back again. I am on my way to a local park, and it feels really warm outside today. I'm actually quite keen to see how much people would have there today, because now it's really warm, and I'm guessing a lot of people would want to spend a lot of time outdoors today. I'm really excited to see this and just to have a good time really. I'll be showing you guys a couple of videos to like see how, you know, I'm gonna spend my time really. And I hope you guys are doing well and spending time enjoying with your family and friends in such beautiful weather like this. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon. But anyway, yeah, it's been okay so far. Very sunny, lots of people, lots of cyclists as well. So yeah, I think it's a good place overall. 10 out of 10. This is also like a very perfect place for a picnic and sunbathing, and also you can actually camp here as well. Like it's a great spot for camping.
We met, your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you.
So guys, we're done now and I'm on the way home. It was a very good day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye.